Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use Etoro. So first, once you signed into Etoro, go over to Home, and here you can see actual stocks which are popular right now, rolling right here. Here you have the message "Welcome back," and your cash and holdings will be displayed right here. Here you have your today loss or profit displayed as a percentage and as a currency. Here you have a graph of your profit since the last days. So for example, here is since the last month. You can change it right here by week, 3 months, 6 months, year to date, or 1 year. So choose whatever you like. Here you can see available euro to invest and available USD to invest, profit or loss since the date you set right here. And then you have this forum and newsfeed you can read, others posts. So go over to watch list. Then you have this watch list where you can watch all the stocks you want. So you add some stocks to your watch list and here it will be displayed. Then you can go over here to portfolio, and here is everything that you have invested in and is currently making you money. Then go over to discover, and here you can discover new stocks, basically new investors and much more. Then you have your wallet here, so you can see the settings about your wallet, how much money do you have and how much is invested. Then you can also copy trader. So pick a trader that you like and copy it. So that's interesting. You have here economic calendar, so you can pick a date and buy stocks from the companies that are currently offering you dividends. So that's kind of rewarding. You can withdraw funds right here, and you can change your settings right here. So this is basics how to use Etoro. If you want more in-depth tutorial, please just write it down in the comment. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.